Alright, Darren. So for 10a, subtract 14x squared minus 12x minus 6 from the sum of 2x squared minus 3x plus 11 and 7x squared minus 3x minus 4. Now, if we look at the very easy, the easiest example, let's say subtract 5 from 7. That means 7 minus 5, right? So in subtraction, we start from the very last. So 7 minus 5, like that, right? So something from, and then something, right? This minus this. Now we use that concept exactly the same here. So subtract these from these, right? So that means we have to find this first. The sum of 2x squared minus 3x plus 11 and 7x squared minus 3x minus 4. This one, right? The sum. Sum means plus, right? And I put bracket here so you can see, you can differentiate clearly between one expression and another expression. So the sum of these, which is this, from means minus, and this 4x squared minus 12x minus 6, again I put bracket. So there are three expressions here, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So the sum of these minus this, right? So we do it from the left side first. So in plus, yeah, the bracket doesn't matter at all, so I can just omit the bracket and it will stay just like that. But in minus, remember, if you have bracket, that means all the signs in bracket change, yeah. So minus become plus, minus become plus, yeah, plus become minus. That's why it's very important to determine where you need to put bracket. So imagine if you forget to put bracket here, all the signs here will be wrong. Now let's simplify this. So let's finish, let's collect the x squared term first. So 2x squared, and I have 7x squared minus 14x squared. So that will give me minus 5x squared, and the x term minus 3x minus 3x minus 6x, and then plus 12x, that means plus 6x, right? Positive 11 minus 4 plus 7, and then plus 6 positive 3. So I like to do this kind of thing to help me seeing better here, yeah. So this is the most simplified expression already. Now we do it the same way in the 10c. So subtract blah 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 from blah 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 blah. So from is the minus, yeah. So okay, we start from the very last first. The product of 4 and 2 minus 5 5w. So product means multiplication, right? So 4 multiplied by 2 minus 5w. From minus the sum of this. So minus this plus this, right? The sum of this. So I plus them first, and I put another bracket here to separate this bracket and this. Why do I need this bracket? Because if I don't put another bracket here, that will mean the negative and the minus only work for this one. That will mean only minus this, while the correct one is we need to minus both of them. So the bracket here indicate that we need to solve the inside these two first, yeah. All right, so if we solve the product first, 4 times this, so 4 times 2 8, 4 times minus 5y minus a minus 5w minus 20w, and then we solve this first, become this, and then lastly we multiply the negative sign inside the bracket, yeah. And then last step, you solve, turn it into the most simplified expression. Remember, solve term by term. Yeah, so I can see that there are three kind of terms here: the w squared term, the w term, and then the constant or the non-variable term. Simplify that. Yeah. Okay.